Well, I'm here in Bangalore. This is BDA complex of HSR layout. You can see a good market. This is Nandini shop. It is exactly like Sanchi of Madhya Pradesh, but products of Nandini are very good. Chocolates, see, I have bought some chocolates and biscuits. Everything is good. Good brand of Nandini. So this is HSR layout. I am showing it to you. Today it is a rainy day here. Since morning drizzling is going on. This is the main road of HSR layout. It's a good area. Very good area. You can see traffic moving because of COVID. Traffic is thin today, though it is Monday. See, my purpose of showing different cities to you is to give you information about various cities, as well as to give you information about insurance, banking and finance subjects. See, in India, motor insurance is compulsory, but fact remains that 50% of vehicles are uninsured. This is a cab which is having yellow plate, Karnataka KA series vehicles, you can see. Now coming to main point as what is motor insurance. What type of driving license are issued in motor insurance? See, first of all, we can have learner license for two-wheeler. Actually, it is not a license at all. Learner license is a temporary license which is given for 6 months only, provided you have pillion rider as guardian who is having proper license, valid license. Other than learning license, one can go for applying for two-wheeler license, two-wheeler without gear. At the age of 16 you can apply for two-wheeler license, but if it is a geared vehicle, then age should be 18 years. For transport vehicle, minimum age required is 20 years. So unless you are 20 years old and unless you are having 1 year experience as light motor vehicle, you cannot get learner license for transport vehicle. This is the provision. So, and for hazardous goods, you have to have one training certificate from authorized institute. Without training certificate, you will not be given license to drive hazardous goods vehicle. Now, what is the validity of a license? See, once license is issued for LMV or two-wheelers, it is issued for 20 years if you are below 50 years of age. After 50 years, it is issued for 5 years at a stretch. But if you are having a transport license, transport vehicle license, whether it is for goods or for passenger driven vehicle, then license is valid for 3 years only. Look at Rainbow Driving School. These are special permitted vehicles where training is given. So what I was saying you, license, transport license, passenger bus service license is given for 3 years only. Okay. Now license is to be renewed after its expiry within a month. If it is renewed within a month, then it is from the back date. After 1 month, whenever you renew a license, it is applicable from the date of renewal. Once license gets expired and for 5 years you have not renewed it, then it will be a totally fresh license. You will have to apply as fresh. You have to give the test also. So these were the licensing regulations under Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Motor Vehicle Act takes care of all the road safety, vehicle maintenance, operations, etc. First vehicle related act was implemented in 1939. Then it was amended in 1988, followed by 1994, then 2000, 2001, and so on. Even today, thinking is going on as how we can amend the act so that road accidents can be minimized. This is the biggest menace because no disease is killing people like road accidents. So we must take care, we must walk safely, and we should see that accidents are minimized at any cost. So it is a video to educate people. Always we should run by the side of road on footpath, as I am walking just now, and beware of oncoming, ongoing traffic. Don't jump on signals. Wear helmet and have proper license, and don't forget to insure your vehicle, because without insuring vehicle, nobody should ply vehicle on public road. This is mandatory, compulsory. Thank you. This is Indore Insurance Institute, where education is being imparted, education is being given, awareness is being created. So enjoy the video. Thank you very much.